On my last trip to Copenhagen, I found myself doing a few video recordings. I was really hyped up in making a video of my trip, but when I looked at the footage, I thought everything was crap. Why do I even put myself through this? I spent most of last year doing research in the basics of cinematography. Tried to get the most affordable gadgets I could get my hands on, and tried to do a few microfilms on the side. I enjoyed the most part of it, but I wasn't happy. I didn't get that feeling I wanted out of it. Can I even make a video that can impact someone? That thought haunted me so much that I sat there at my hotel, procrastinating, and just ended up doing nothing. It took me almost 2 weeks of hating the exercise of it all, and then it just hit me. You need to get up and just do something. I remember when I started photography years back, I did the same thing to myself. I hated every output I had in each photo shoot. I did an endless cycle of doing shoots, hating my output, getting myself up, do another, and hate it again after. I believe I was just a cheap knockoff of the photographers I looked up to. The torture took quite some time. I got over it when I came to a point after that endless cycle. I found my own style. Your own voice, as some artists would say. I still think that my photos suck, by the way. But now, at least I feel that sense of accomplishment whenever I would do a shoot. At least now I feel that I am going somewhere, and that all you need to do is improve. So I guess what I'm trying to share with you guys is, get up and start making your videos. Everyone starts from zero, and that you may never get to fully like your output. If you ever do, then all hats to you. I guess other than being a perfectionist, maybe that is what it is to feel like an artist, or to be like an artist. Having that small death in each artwork, photo, video, or piece that you do, a portion of you. This is Erick Cruz, a struggling artist.